Good morning, children. Today we are going to start second half of our lesson, atoms and molecules. Atom is the smallest particle which takes part in a chemical reaction. A molecule is the smallest unit of any substance which can exist independently and shows all the properties of that substance. Each molecule is a group of chemically bonded atoms. Each atom or a molecule has its own characteristic mass. So, the atomic and molecular masses may be expressed in any unit of mass, in gram or kilograms. The actual mass of a single atom is very small. An atom of hydrogen is 1.673 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. It is not possible to measure such small masses even with the help of the most sensitive balance. Such small numbers are not very convenient to write also. IUPAC accepted the atomic mass unit scale to be used for expressing atomic and molecular masses in 1961. In this scale of atomic masses, the carbon 12 isotope has been assigned an atomic mass of 12 atomic mass units. So, atomic mass is the average mass of all the atoms present in an element. Example, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Relative atomic mass. It is defined as number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon. The relative atomic mass of an element is a pure number and hence it has no unit. The relative atomic mass of an element indicates the number of times one atom of that element is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. For example, the average relative mass of chlorine is 35.5. This means that an atom of chlorine on average is 35.5 by 12 times heavier than one atom of carbon 12. Now, what are isotopes? The atoms of same element having different atomic mass are called isotopes. Example, chlorine has two isotopes with atomic mass 35 and 37 respectively. As I told you, hydrogen has three isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Atomic mass unit. Atomic masses are very small. To express atomic masses, a unit called atomic mass unit is commonly used. The atomic mass unit is defined as the mass equal to 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom is called 1 atomic unit mass. The atomic mass unit is not a practical unit because it is equivalent to a very small mass. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Such small masses cannot be measured on any balance. According to IUPAC, the atomic masses are defined as, see, what is the atomic mass of an element? The average mass of an atom of an element is known as its atomic mass. Atomic masses of an element is designated as capital A. Since atomic mass is actual mass, hence it has the unit of mass, whereas gram, kilogram, atomic mass unit, etc. The accepted unit for describing atomic mass is atomic mass unit. The average mass of an atom of any element in atomic mass unit is called its atomic mass. What is relative molecular mass? It is defined as number of times one molecule of that substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule of a substance. Example, molecular mass of water, H2O. Now, in water, there are two hydrogens and one oxygen. So, 2 into mass of hydrogen plus 1 into mass of oxygen. So, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. The molecular mass of water is 18 unit. Molecular mass of CH4, that is methane. In methane we have 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. So 1 into mass of carbon plus 4 into mass of hydrogen. So the total is 16 unified mass. Formula mass. It is defined as sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound, whether molecular or not. In case of ionic compounds like sodium chloride, formula mass is 58.5 unit, means 23 plus 35.5 is 58.5. Molecular mass of NaCl has no meaning because it does not exist as molecules. On the other hand, in covalent compounds like methane, ammonia, glucose, molecular mass and formula mass are same because they exist as molecules. Thank you.